Number 9. Are these two shapes similar? Let's go ahead and graph them and take a look and see if looking at them gives us some kind of an idea. Okay, there's the green one, GHI, and now the blue one is right there. Are they similar? Which would mean the exact same shape. Well, the quick way to tell is to divide corresponding sides and see if you always get the same ratio. So let's divide the longest green side, which is the hypotenuse GI, divided by the hypotenuse JK. And let's see what we get. Let's do the same thing for the middle side, GH over LK. So the middle green side, the middle green side, blue side, and then the shortest green side, HI, divided by the shortest blue side, LJ. If all of these values are exactly the same, then the answer will be yes, it's similar. And if they're not, then the answer will be no. So for the horizontal ones, we can just count their lengths, and the vertical ones, we can just count their lengths. So we get 6 over 5 and 3 over 2. And we don't even need to do the slanted ones with the distance formula because already we can see that this ratio is not the same as that ratio. The green one's hypotenuse is 6/5 longer than the blue one's, but its shortest side is not 6/5, it's 3/2 longer. So these are not going to be the same shape, and we don't have to do anything with transformations, because if the answer was no, and the answer is no, they're not similar, then we don't need to do any transformations to explain our reasoning. Remember that when shapes are similar, when you divide corresponding sides, like the long leg of the green right triangle, GH, divided by the long leg of the blue right triangle, LK, that value, in this case 1.2, will be exactly equal to the ratio of any corresponding sides, like the shortest green side, HI, divided by the shortest blue side that it corresponds to, LJ. If these ratios aren't the same, then they're not the same shape. They are not similar. So these ratios are not the same, so the shapes are not similar.